Okay, Ethan, so I understand that we're going to go whitewater rafting today.
Yeah.
All right, are these the falls we're going to go on?
I think so, yeah.
I don't think so.
Take a little movie of it, we can show Mom.
I'm taking a movie.
Oh, great.
What do you think?
That's that. I think it's very impressive.
Put it over there, put it over there, put it over there.
What do you think about it? What do you think?
I think it's pretty cool. I think it's good, actually. Yeah, I think it's good.
The rocks.
That is a serious water rapids. Not the falls, the rapids.
Yeah, it's turning.